A warm welcome to one and all to the YouTube channel of Learnerstar. So in this update, we are sharing that the admission portal of CU Tamil Nadu is open and it is accepting registration for admissions. So we could see that a notification was updated today by the website of CU Tamil Nadu. Like once you go to the website, CU Tamil Nadu website, you could see that there are set of links published. So one of the link was online registration for CUT and admissions. It is the web portal wherein you need to fill in your basic details such as CUCT application number, then CUCT roll number, then your name, date of birth, then applicant's email ID, and password. So this applicant's email ID will be your username. So you should make sure that you are giving it correctly, and also you should always make sure that you are giving the number which you used while doing the CUCT registration. So that this is the basic first basic application process. Then once we go to the user guide, we actually need to register using these details. And once we register, we'll be having a dashboard and we'll be needing to fill in the basic details like qualifying degree details or plus 2 10th details. You'll be needing to fill them, and once that is over, you'll need to fill your profile like personal details such as name, place, and all these things, place of birth, etc. Then you will need to fill other details, languages, all kind of these details will be required. Then you will need to upload your certificates. So initially you will be needing to upload your photograph, then your signature, then a certificate to prove your date of birth, then scorecard, CUCT scorecard. Then you'll need to upload a CUCT admit card. So these are the basic files that will be required. Then you need to submit, and what will happen is then that will be your basic details. Then you will need to submit your course details, like which all courses you would like to join, so that you will need to update in the profile, and that will be required. Then you will need to academic details which was mentioned. Then that is all these things. So that's all about the initial registration process. And once the admission process is over, you will be needing to submit it, and then the university will shortlist the candidates based on the scores, CUCT scores obtained like by the students who apply. And if suppose you want to withdraw your application process, you can withdraw your application by clicking on the withdraw application button, and you will be needing to give a reason. And also you can cancel the admission by clicking on the cancel admission uh, by clicking on the request for cancellation of admission button. Okay, so these are some of the basic things. And always make sure that you are printing the acknowledged slip to for future reference things. And this website, the link to apply for the CUCT CUTN admission portal will be updated in the description box, so you can click on it and go register yourself. And the last date to apply for admission is 31st November. So you need to apply before 31st November. Okay, and this is a free. There is no fee for registration. And if you have any kind of queries, you should contact in the general query number, that is 04366 277 337. Also, if you have any kind of issues, you should write an official email in the email ID admissions@cutn.ac.in. So if you have any kind of queries, you should ask in the admission official help desk number, that is 04366 277 337. And also the email ID is admissions@cutn.ac.in. So these are some of the basics about the CUTN admission portal. So if you have any kind of queries, you could also ask us, we'll be able to help you with that. So the link to submit your queries is the Google form, which is attached in the description box. Also, do subscribe to this channel if you are new to the channel. We'll be sharing updates related to CUCT admission process of almost all the universities. So see you in the next video. Thank you.